Welcome, fam. This flow wakes up your entire posterior chain, connects breath to control, and finishes by firing the glutes and core in sync. Perfect for grounding chaotic mornings or breaking through emotional stagnation. You ever wake up feeling disconnected from your body? Like your mind is running, but your back feels like it's still stuck in yesterday? This flow is your reboot. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin in a downward dog. Palms planted, hips lifted, heels reaching back. Bend one knee, then the other, paddle through. Now hold steady. Let the back line wake up. Calves, hamstrings, spine. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset for your posture, breath, and nervous system. I promise, if you hold it with intention, you'll start to feel lighter in less than 30 seconds. Beginners, bend the knee to ease tension in the hamstrings. Advanced stretches, try pressing the chest closer to your thighs and heels lower to the floor. Did you know that this pose boosts circulation to your brain? You're not just waking up your body, you're rewiring your alertness. Final 5 seconds. Can you push just a little deeper? That just activated your full posterior chain. Now let's add some reach. From downward dog, lift your right leg high. Keep the hip square to start. Then open it up, bend the knee, rotate the hip slightly, switch at 30 seconds. This one teaches stability through motion. I promise, you'll feel this one in your glutes, core, and shoulders all at once. Beginners, keep the leg lower and hip square. Advanced stretches, try pointing and flexing the lifted foot for more activation. Do you feel that glute working? If not, pause. Squeeze the lifted leg intentionally. 5 seconds. Strong finish on the left side. That just builds strength through length. Now let's stretch out the front. Lower to the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders. Inhale and press up into Cobra. Keep your hips grounded. Let your chest rise. Breathe into your belly, not your chest. This is where your core tension and emotional stress collide. I promise, this one posture can relieve pressure you didn't even know you were carrying. Beginners, keep the elbows bent and lower. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms and lift the gaze slightly. Here's what's wild. Your body has over 120 muscles that attach to the spine. This move restores the communication between all of them. 5 more seconds here. That just realigned your posture. Let's fire up your core. Come into a strong plank. Lift one leg at a time, squeeze the glutes, keep your hips stable. Switch after 30 seconds. This is your wake-up call. Everything from your shoulders to your ankles has to lock in. I promise, this move teaches your core to lead the day. Beginners, drop to your elbows or knees. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top of each leg lift. Here's your challenge. Can you keep your hips level even while the leg lifts? 5 more seconds. Lock in, squeeze. That just fired up your stabilizers. Now let's finish with full power. Lie on your back, feet hip width apart. Lift your right leg. Press your left foot and drive the hips up. Lower down, alternate sides. This is the final test. Control, strength, and grace all at once. I promise, this will wake up your backside, protect your spine, and carry you forward. Beginners, keep both feet on the ground. Advanced stretches, hold each top position for 3 seconds before switching. Do you feel the squeeze at the top? That's your signal. You're building support from the ground up. Final challenge. Keep going. 5 more seconds. You made it, and your backline reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.